In 2024, a state-sponsored group infiltrated 9 of the world's largest telecom networks, including AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. They didn't trip a single alarm. They walked straight into the system's law enforcement uses for wiretapping and sat there quietly for over years. They accessed call content, text messages, and the identities of every individual account. And here is the part nobody is focusing on. They didn't even need quantum to do this. But we are entering a new asymmetric era. AI is the thinking power. Quantum is the processing strength. Together, they are a deadly combination. While AI can autonomously scan for vulnerabilities at scale, a quantum processor can then shatter the encryption protecting them in minutes. This inflection point isn't coming. It's here. While LLMs autonomously map your entire digital attack surface at scale, AI is now being used to optimize Shor's algorithm, slashing the qubit requirements to shatter RSA encryption. The race is no longer theoretical. The French government has invested a major chunk in 2025 on fault-tolerant chips. Germany has inaugurated its first sovereign quantum supercomputer hybrid in Munich. Meanwhile, micro-nano satellite and miniaturized ground stations are already enabling quantum-secured communication over thousands of kilometers. According to a March 2026 white paper by Google Quantum AI, a quantical qubits could break the elliptic curve cryptography, ECDSA256, used by Bitcoin and other blockchains in minutes. This is a massive 20-fold reduction from previous estimates of 10 million plus qubits, and it's significantly accelerating the projected timeline for quantum threats to cryptocurrency. Across the globe, the bar for Q-Day has come nearer. As India builds the world's most ambitious sovereign AI stack, the 7 circles, or chakras, of the national intelligence, we face a defining moment. Sovereign AI is only sovereign if the underlying physics is unbreachable. Quantum communication isn't a future consideration. It's an urgent necessity for every AI deployment today. Software-only fixes merely swap one mathematical puzzle for another. QNu Labs uses quantum technology to generate, distribute, and manage encrypted keys, thereby safeguarding your digital assets from cybersecurity threats today and tomorrow. Incubated at IIT Madras and supported by iHub of National Quantum Mission with 11+ patents, we are safeguarding the data of the world's armed forces and enterprises. The weakest link in your AI future is no longer the algorithm or the model. They are your digital assets. Quantum encryption is your insurance to safeguard your customer trust before it's too late. Visit www.qnulabs.com for phased strategic implementation. Stay tuned for a